one of those days where she wants to go out. Actually, I wanted to go out. Let's chase some waterfalls.
There's somewhere to be every night of the week. Seems God ain't close as he used to be. And there's more tequila in this old town, the pines in Tennessee. I ain't the man I thought I'd be. And these neon lights that keep me up got me thinking maybe mom and dad had it right all along. We're too old to still be alone, and we ain't happy ever after all. I'm just saying it wouldn't be as bad, 'cause we made it out living in our hometown. I miss the days that flowed like the Mississippi.
So gotta have the snacks at least, but there's like a huge parking lot right there. She parks right next to me. Like literally right next to me. But we have to get us all snacks. So there's this place called Onomea Bay, right? Like a scenic route. And in that scenic route there's like a river. I always rode past that river, never got to fly my Avata over there, so I'm gonna take my Avata over there and I'm gonna check it out. But first we gotta have that snack. She's gonna eat with the helmet on.
Shut up. You open this drink first, because you never like share yours.
I'm gonna drink that too. One of my favorites. Spring rolls.
Okay, you can replace that, right?
Yeah.
Not, yes, sir.
I'm catching cracks over here because I didn't do all the modifications to her motorcycle yet. Miss Demanding.
Me demanding.
For those who are wondering right now, I have those beautiful phone holders right here in order to be able to watch my phone at the same time while I'm riding with my Cardo. And then I get my 360 set up too. All right, here we go. Let's make it to Onomea Bay. So I was looking around a few times and I saw some stuff, but there's so much vegetation. I'm kind of afraid I might clip something and fall in the water. So we found a nice little bridge over here, and I'm gonna unpack my Avata and let's send up. Well, that was a sketchy flight, but it was worth it, I think. Yeah, it was worth it. Actually, it doesn't look like it's too windy, so we're gonna go to the bay right up the road, which is like 2 minutes from here, and I'm gonna try fly there. That's actually where they filmed some of the stuff from Pirates of the Caribbean. The Curse of the Black Pearl. Well, this is the infamous Onumea Bay, so we're going to try send it through there to reveal what's on the other side of those bushes. So that was Onumea Bay flight. This one walk all the way, and she's tired. We're gonna head out to, what is that, Koli Koli? I don't know. Koli Koli Beach Park. We're gonna try that out.
You know that I won't lie like this. I don't wanna hide everything, like say that we're just friends, but no friends don't kiss. I feel my body giving in. You want my heart, baby, you say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy, I know it sounds crazy, but maybe we could be a thing. I'll give it one shot, make it hard, show me what you bring. No, no, don't stop, talk a lot, tell me what you think.
So there's one down here. It says in the bottom of Akaka Falls. I can't fly at Akaka Falls because it's a state park. But there's a bridge at the bottom of this, and I believe when I rode past there was a waterfall. So finally you're gonna be able to finally find a waterfall, I hope. There's a river underneath this bridge, so I'm gonna explore that whole area. Yeah, let's do it. Well, if that wasn't beautiful, it took me a little bit to get there, and then I flew a little bit further, and it actually ends up right there by the ocean, but I couldn't go out because I was losing reception. So that's because you get all that stuff in between there, but that was trippy. It was beautiful. It was sexy. So we're gonna go to Kolikoli Beach Park right now. Is it called Beach Park? It's actually on the river, but I want to follow that river because they cleaned out all the trees. So, but there's another waterfall shortly after that, which is Umama Bridge, and that's usually a big one, huh? Yeah. So we're gonna go over there. Yeah, with the regular drone, but not with the Avata. So let's go there. So this is Kolikoli Bridge. No, this is Umama Bridge. Not Kolikoli. We passed Kolikoli because there's only a river, there's no waterfall. But from over here, I can see all the way down there. Right there, I can see a waterfall. Right there. So it's a little bit windy, but this thing is deep too. Oh, there's one right there. Yeah, we gotta fly this. Send it. Send it. I gotta watch out because I only get 29% left on my goggles, but I think that should be good enough. So there's another tiny one over there too, so let's do it. Oh, that was so beautiful. That was like super nice. It's like one of the nicest waterfalls I've seen so far that you really don't really have any access to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I'm all out of batteries, and we'll definitely make a part 2 because there's a whole lot more. And today was perfect weather. It's kind of overcast right now. It was great. It's just sorry about that. I had the horizon level on earlier, so everything was like level. So for this last one, it was just rock steady, so you could see actually how I'm gonna fly. So, and we're hungry too. So it's been like what, 3 hours, 4 hours almost. So we're gonna head out and just cruise with the bikes, and yeah, just have a great time until we make part 2 of this. Until then, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell if you really enjoyed this video. And until then, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and definitely pay it forward. Love you all. Aloha.